Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen, and today we'll be making a spicy
garlic
shrimp
recipe. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here are some of the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. I have scallion, rice wine, butter, coconut oil, paprika, seafood seasoning, garlic, hot pepper, and my shrimp. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by mincing our garlic. Just go ahead and smash it real quick. I'm also going to mince my hot pepper. I'm using habanero. If you're afraid of spice, you don't have to use the whole entire pepper. You can use half of it, or just go ahead and remove the seeds, because that's where the extra heat is at, basically.
Now I will be adding my paprika and seafood seasoning to the shrimp.
Oh yeah, add that seasoning, baby. Let's go ahead and mix it up. Season it real good. All right, it's looking good. Now we're just gonna go ahead and add our butter and coconut oil to the pot and just make that magic happen.
Now I'm going to be adding my coconut oil.
And we're also gonna go ahead and add our butter. Once the butter and the coconut oil is fully melted, then we'll go ahead and add our shrimp.
Now we will be adding our shrimp.
Sizzle, sizzle. All right, we're just gonna leave it just the way they are. Cook them for at least a minute on each side. Flip them over, and then we'll add our other ingredients. Go ahead and flip them over.
Some hot peppers.
Give it a nice little stir. We're also going to add our green onion or scallion.
And now we're going to add some garlic.
Garlic. Oh yeah, I can already smell that spice. The garlicky flavor. Oh my God. Woo. Smelling so good. Stir it up, baby, stir it up. Oh yeah. All right, now we're gonna add our final ingredient, which is the rice wine. Oh yeah. All right, so once the liquid starts to reduce a little bit more, Then we'll go ahead and turn it off, drop it on the plate, and enjoy. As you can see, the liquid is starting to turn a little bit thick, and that's exactly what I'm looking for right now. So this entire recipe should only take like five minutes, to be honest, about 5 minutes. This is a super easy recipe to make, guys. All right, guys, here it is. Oh my God. Here's your spicy garlic shrimp. I'm just gonna add some parsley flakes on top and make it rain, baby. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.